Hello friends, now we see the problem number 4, which is also based on first principle of derivative of chapter derivative. The problem number 4 is fx is equal to cos of 5x. Now let's see the solution. The solution is quite simple. First of all, we start with fx is equal to cos of 5x. Therefore, the next step is f of x plus h is equal to cos phi in bracket x plus h, which is on simplifying further we get cos of 5x plus 5h. Then by first principle of derivative, f dash x is equal to limit h tends to 0 f of x plus h minus fx whole thing divided by h, that equal to limit h tends to 0. For f of x plus h, we substitute cos in bracket 5x plus 5h minus, for fx we substitute cos of 5x and then whole thing divided by h. Now in the numerator we apply formula cos c minus cos d. That equal to minus 2 sin in bracket c plus d upon 2 into sin in bracket c minus d upon 2. Now in present case 5x plus 5h represents c and 5x represent d. So the next step will be is equal to limit h tends to 0 minus 2 sin in bracket 5x plus 5h plus 5x whole thing divided by 2 into again sin in bracket 5x plus 5h minus 5x upon 2 and then whole thing divided by h. So that equal to, now here minus 2 is a constant term, so we take outside the limit. So minus 2 into limit h tends to 0 sin in bracket, now 5x plus 5x, that gives 10x plus 5h upon 2, and this as we consider one limit. Then into again we have limit h tends to 0 sin in bracket, now here we plus pi minus pi cancel, so we left with only 5h upon 2, and upon, to get rule we need sin x upon x as limit x tends to 0 1. So here we require limit h tends to 0, already we have sin of 5h upon 2 and again 5h upon 2 and into, for adjustment we write 5 upon 2. So that equal to minus 2 into sin in bracket we substitute h as a 0, so we have 10x plus 5 into 0 totally divided by 2 into, here we apply formula that limit x tends to 0 sin x upon x 1, and therefore limit x tends to 0 sin of 5h upon 2 upon 5h upon 2, so that gives 1, and into we write 5 by 2 as it is. So that equal to minus 2 into sine. Now here 5 into 0, 0, 0 plus 10x, 10x, and 10x divided by 2 gives us 5x into 1 into 5 by 2. So here we cancel 2 from numerator and denominator. So finally we get minus 5 times sine of 5x. So this is a required solution for the given problem. Thank you.